Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to view ledgers in Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime and navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, you'll want to select Display More Reports to access additional financial statements. Next, choose Account Books from the options presented. This path will lead you directly to where you can begin exploring your ledger details efficiently and clearly. Once you are in Account Books, select the Ledger option. This will present you with a comprehensive list of all your created ledgers. Simply choose the specific ledger you wish to examine from this list. Upon selection, Tally Prime will display all the detailed transactions associated with that particular ledger, providing a clear overview of its activity and balances. To customize your ledger report, press F12 for the Configure options. Here, you can adjust several settings to tailor the view to your needs. For instance, you can change the reporting period to see transactions within a specific date range. You can also filter transactions by different voucher types, such as sales or payments, to focus on particular activities within the ledger. Once you have your ledger report configured as desired, you might want to export it for further analysis or sharing. Simply press Alt+E on your keyboard to initiate the export process. You can then choose your preferred format, such as PDF or Excel, to save the data. This allows for easy integration with other tools. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.